Hey everyone, what's going on? This is an extension from Functions 3.0, where we're actually going to take our word problems, put them into a function, and create a small program with them in the next tutorial. But for this one, let's just put everything in a function. So open up the radioactive decay problem, and I did change a little bit on it. I changed the last print, and I went ahead and put the years so that you could actually see the full problem. So it would be the amount of radioactive material that will remain after, say, 15 years is so many kilograms. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and highlight everything that we need to put in the function and press tab and define this function, and we're going to call it Euler's. Now, what we need to put in the arguments for this function, we need to put kilograms, percent, and years in there. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so everything's good on this part. So we need to go back down here and throw in a small condition if name is equal to name. And then we're going to take this function, and we're going to have to give it different parameters. So we can't leave it blank. We have to put something in there. An alternative to that would be put none, false, or open quote. Just make sure that you have at least 3 of these, because there are 3 arguments being passed in this function. So we'll go ahead and save that one. It should be good. And go to your state fair problem. And let's highlight everything and tab it. And define this function as SFP, state fair problem. And the arguments are going to be the raw inputs right here where the user inputs the information. So we'll take people as the first one, child price, adult price, and total earned. Now remember, this one is passing 4 arguments, so you're going to need 4 arguments down here in your if condition. So if, again, name equals name, and I messed up. I'll fix that in a second. Okay. And then you're going to grab, let's do it again. SFP. None, and none. Okay, so everything should run smoothly on this part. SFP. Alright, now let's go to our main folder, our main file, where we're gonna import both of these files into the main one. So let's just do the first one right here. So it's going to be from radioactive decay, import, and Euler's. Okay. Now down the next one, from state fair, import, SFP, I believe. Yep, SFP. Okay. So we're going to take this one. The Euler's only takes 3 and, sorry. Yes, Euler's only takes 3 arguments. So we can just go ahead and do this one. Euler's, none, and none. That's because we haven't given it a value yet. So that's exactly why we have to pass in no arguments right now. It has to be waiting until later for the function to run. And let's do state fair problem. Alright, sorry about that. If y'all are wondering why it keeps cutting off after 5 minutes, it's because I'm really cheap and I got the Tiny Talks caption video. So, just in case you're wondering for some weird reason. Anyway, alright, let's get back to this problem real quick. We'll pass in arguments 3 times. Save it. Actually, sorry, 4. Let's just double check real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, alright, we're good on this one. And reduce the size. And this, I saved everything in the atom pi. So, just run this real quick. 650 people. Child's price, $6. Adult price, $13. Total earn, let's do 5,000. Alright. That ran good. Press enter again. And we'll run the next problem. Kilograms. Okay. So we'll just do 90. And a percent. We'll just do 45, which is very high. And the years, we'll just do 80. So, okay. The material that remain after 80 years is 2.0875 kilograms. Alright, that's good. Alright, so what we're going to be doing next is we're actually going to be using try to make sure that all these functions initialize well. And we're also going to throw this into an if condition to where the user can pick which problem that they would want to use. So that's it for now. And I should have the other video uploaded tonight. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. So I'll see you guys in a little bit on the next tutorial, which will be called Final. Alright, see y'all later.